The second generation of the BMW M2 excites and delights with the skill set of a classical high-performance sports car, reproduced in highly concentrated form, with fresh intensity and cutting-edge technology. The new M2 encapsulates the pure joy of driving, its compact dimensions, a 6-cylinder inline engine, a manual gearbox, rear-wheel drive, and an advanced control operating concept, allowing the driver to adjust the vehicle setup as desired, are all central to its appeal. At the heart of the vehicle concept are fleet-footed agility on demand and handling that remains easily controllable even as the driver explores the coupe's limits. The distinct character profile of the new BMW M2 is reflected in a visually powerful design that makes no secret of the car's comfortably segment-leading power even before it turns a wheel.